Welcome to Prrage, and let's look at how quickly and easily you can have high value domains that you can flip for hundreds and thousands in profits, or you can rent them out to build passive income. There's literally so many ways that you can use these tools. So this is the domain dashboard within Prrage, and we're going to walk through some quick things. Very quickly, as I scroll through, this is just opening up without doing any searching. I can see some amazing things straight away. A domain that you can buy for $8. That has a valuation of $1,300 before you do anything to it. Wow. I can see domains that are 6 years old. Wow, that domain's been around for a long time. And this is, again, without doing any searching whatsoever. I can see domains that have existing traffic. And this is, again, before we even start to jump into the program. So incredible that you can see domains, high value domains. You can see incredible domains with age that are ranked there. So let's have a look at some of the details that we can put together. You can find quickly domains in high value industries. So let's say, for example, I've got some examples there, but let's say that I looked at puppy as my domain. The first thing Prrage will do will show you what the search engines are actually bringing up when you bring that through, and you can then tailor your search to make sure that you're really going for the traffic. So puppy, let's do a search. And without doing any filtering whatsoever, we look for domains with puppy in the title. And straight away, I can start to see domains that are out there. Now, I can see domains that are cheap with high valuations. I can also see ones that are high cost, and you can start to see the immediate impact of that. I can see domains with traffic. So I can start to see really domains that have an incredible result there. Now, let's have a look at this one just as one extra thing that you can do with Prrage. Look at this, puppy kitten. Now, I can understand why somebody who owns that domain would want to sell it for that price. It's a good domain, but check this out. If I come across to the details section, it's going to run and see if we can find some traffic backlinks. This particular domain doesn't have any, but have a look at this. Puppy kitten is on sale for $1,999. That's nearly $2,000. No information, no backlinks. But puppy kittens is available, and I can buy that literally right now from the Prrage system, and I can pay $16.99. Isn't that an amazing thing? So I can find high value or high cost domains and find alternates that are just as good, and being able to put them together really, really quickly. So now let's have a look at some of the things that I can find here. Here's a domain that I can buy right now for $10. It has a valuation of $827. It's over 10 years old. I can find some amazing information about that in terms of how it works, etc. I can add it to a shortlist. I can purchase it straight away. And very, very quickly, I can see how I can find high value domains, and I can instantly turn them for a profit. I can find alternates that are amazing. I can find domains that have incredible statistics with them. And I can see in all kinds of things, whether it's a Facebook like or Twitter, LinkedIn count, so I can see how many social links are coming back for those domains. I can build a shortlist, so I can say that one's interesting for me, and that one's interesting for me, and that one's interesting for me. And as I come up to the shortlist, Prrage will keep these domains in a shortlist for me and notify me if anything changes with those domains. I can build a search. So if I come back and have a look, I can build a search that filters on just show me .coms, only show me domains that are aged, only show me the buy now or the offer domains, keep my pricing under a level that I want, and look for high value. So if I kept that puppy as a status. Now what I can do is, as I search, I can also then tell Prrage to keep searching for me. I can make sure that this particular search continues to return results for me over and over and over again. So even with those quick setups, I can see a $10 domain with a high valuation and traffic over 8 years old. That's a great domain to buy. So I can see immediately. Now, what if I wanted Prrage to tell me any time that it found a domain that fits my criteria? I can save that to a watch list, and immediately when I look at my saved searches, I will then be able to see that I can have this send me the results. Now imagine if you're looking for domains in a particular niche that you've got within the system. You can have high value domains in a vertical that you can target, and Prrage will do the searching for you. Find high value domains that you can pick up for a bargain, flip them for quick profits, and we talk to you how to do that. We literally have access to some amazing people in the industry walking through exactly how they do that. You can rent them out for high profits. One of our bonus interviews has an interview with someone that's bringing in over 6 figures a year. Sorry, 6 figures a month. Wow, 6 figures a year is great, but 6 figures a month from renting out high-value domains, and we've got that access. If you'd like to quickly get started in the domaining industry where you can find high-value domains quickly, rent them, sell them, do all kinds of amazing things with them, then Prrage is the program to grab. Click now below and make sure you pick this system up so that you can be up and running quickly with the Prrage program.